Morning everyone. Since I got quite a lot of requests for photo restorations, I thought I will create a little tutorial how to take a photo of the photo. It's quite simple step, but it's quite crucial for me to be able to restore image as the highest resolution as possible without actually sending your old photo to professional service for high resolution scanning. This is me when I was a little girl with zebras in Warsaw Zoo, and let me show you how to take a photo of the photo. So when you get to your station, I always recommend having even light. If you will have anything turn up above the surface, most of those old photos has a little bit gloss to it, you will get hot spots on the paper. So I always advise to make sure that you can do it during the day with kind of diffused soft light. More light than better. Sometimes it's even better to do it on the floor closer to the window. As long as you have nice flat surface, you're good to go. So the first step will be to take your photo and tape it to the paper. The old photos have tendency to curl up because paper dries up through the years, and with that, paper is losing the moisture and it's curling up. So if you don't want to tape it, if the photo is in a state that you cannot really touch it with the stickiness of the tape, I advise to take it between two paper towels and put it between something very, very heavy for a couple weeks to let it dry out. The next step, when you take the photo, and I taped it on as little as possible on the edge of the photo, I really don't want to damage this photo with the tape. You will take your device, it really doesn't matter what kind of device is it. Most of the smartphones, tablets have amazing high resolution cameras, so it really doesn't matter. I have my iPad. Since the photo is landscape, I will flip my device landscape as well, and this is where I have camera, so I'm kind of in an angle here because what I'm doing, I'm trying to fill up the whole frame with the photo, and I'm trying to be as still as possible. So breathe in, take the photo, and that's it. So after I took it a photo, it's not perfect, but it's still like I will be able to work on it. So if you don't want to use high resolution scanning companies, so you can look them up on Google, you can always try to do it this way and contact me for your restoration. If in some cases it won't be enough, and I will let you know if it's not enough, and then we'll look on some other ways, but in most of the cases this is just enough to recreate the image, restore the image, and make it, bring it back to life. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry for the echo in my home. I hope you can hear me well, and I will see you next time.